Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, don come with very important topic this evening wey concern food. Food for Nigeria don dey very expensive to buy for market. So na this one I make Apostle Alfred Uyinosa come share some of the idea wey e get wey go fit help government bring down the price of food wey dey very high for market. So make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Enjoy the video.
You can imagine how my brother and your brother, my sister and your sister, come up for their house. Some people die for the palliative matter as they climb their self. Why? So imagine say everybody get food for house. Who won't go drag palliative? Let's be truthful. Who won't go drag palliative? Nobody. One of the major reasons why our brothers, our sisters still take dey collect money for election bribe. Now because they won't buy Maggi and salt. No say they won't collect the money. 5,000 go reach to pay children.
My brother, some way go collect money because they won't buy salt and Maggi.
Okay.
No, me I don't agree.
Okay.
Some now greed, longer throat.
Yeah.
You understand so?
Okay.
Now longer throat.
Yeah.
Even for palliative, some people drive motor go take go carry Indomie. Who carry motor go take go carry Indomie? That one are they hungry. No, wait, come. Who drive motor? Better motor. Take go carry one carton of Indomie. What do you call that one? That one are hungry. I've been waiting.
If you check the statistics of people when drive,
the people answer me. Person way carry motor, fine motor. Take go carry one carton of Indomie. What do you call that one? That one are hungry. I've been waiting.
And if you check the statistics of people when carry motor go and people when use leg go, you'll see 1 in 100. And if you check where that person when carry motor go, you know go fuel for that motor.
I can't drive the motor.
Now they tell you so. Say hunger they beat them too.
Now so, I can't drive motor.
So the hunger they touch even the rich. The hunger they touch everybody. Why now this strategy? When the government already put in place, put it on ground, the rich man as they talk so now, they don't get access to produce their own rice by themselves. So they see they buy the rice as the rice they cost 45,000. Only say they get the money in excess because they don't farm.
But you know say. My people, my brother, my sister, una good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the area and location where you for watch this broadcast this evening. So make a quick appreciate my brothers and sisters for Nigeria and for the ones who are there for diaspora. The way una don't they follow this broadcast, now they follow us bomber to bomber. To the listening to us, it's not easy to able to do subscription. Able to subscribe, it's not easy. Una try well. And God go bless all of una when una don't take the follow us. I know say matter the ground they talk about end bad governance. Yesterday we talk about politics. Today we'll talk about agriculture. What government supposed to do worldwide, all over the country, and how government officially eradicate poverty, and there's some of the things where they happen for Edo and Nigeria at large. So would they put man for this area? So many areas would they put man because tell friend truth, they spoil friend. What is not good is bad, and we go continue to the talk as it be. My name is Jeremiah Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, aka Talkam as it be.
And I be Victor Olise. Una good evening, everybody.
So my brother, this matter we'll talk about agriculture now. Now, when would they grow up? As you said before now, for agriculture, with a carry farm, get big village. What Bishop Moto go now 911, 911. Then we call it 911. Now 911 will come village to come carry corn from village or carry and go Lagos. Me, I don't know that I can't still exist again. They'll carry plantain from village. They'll carry cocoa from village. They go Lagos. That time, people, they gather. We want to go Lagos. But now, reverse is the case. Even the road to those villages now, na zero. So, I don't know. And all these things, they hinder their produce. We're talking about agriculture. And on that time, I also discover, say, people, where they carry farm, Nama, no, they let them to stay again, no. So I don't know how I want to look this matter. My brother, make you look this matter.
All right. Una good evening, everybody. Thank you, Mr. Frank Ben. See that correction. Thank you, sir. We did talk about we get serious when we dey talk about since be end bad governance. And yesterday we take time take analyze how would fit take end bad governance for politics. And today we can also think say
But
it
now,
could be very necessary make we put mouth for the aspect of for aspect of agriculture rather. Why we say make we focus for agriculture? Now because say we don't also realize the fact say one of the major reasons why our government over the time don't cage us and to continue to dey use us now because say hunger dey land. My brother and your brother, my sister and your sister, all of us hungry dey catch all of us. And because of that, anytime government come say oh yeah see 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira, we go value am pass say we suppose think about our future. This na reason why we say make we talk about end bad governance for agriculture. Wetin the government suppose do for agriculture. Una remember say in the olden days, one of the major reasons why our parents or our grandparents dey marry more than one wife na because of say they dey go farm. Say they wan born children and many children when they will fit carry the children take dey go farm for them. That's why our great grandparents, our parents, marry more than one wife. Why? Because their major occupation then na agriculture. And also if you go down also go down to history, you go realize say before the Nigerian government realize say we get crude oil, say we get oil for Nigeria, our major source
na
of
farming,
livelihood and income na agriculture, na farming.
cocoa,
When
Jonah.
cocoa, especially cocoa, you understand? When we say we take full mind and hope for wetin we get as our number one natural mineral resources to take feed ourselves and grow our nation. But immediately our leaders, political leaders,
Discover oil.
they discover oil,
They
they
throw away farm.
forget say anything wey they call agriculture dey exist. And as such, before you know, people come dey travel, dey comot from village, dey come city. As they dey come city so, no, people wey come dey village come dey reduce small small. So you no fit come imagine say the numbers of people wey dey city and the numbers of people wey dey village, you get like, for example, you get like 10 people for village. How you come imagine say those 10 people wan take produce food when 1,000 people go eat for city? This na the strategy when the government come strategize. They comot hand for agriculture to allow hunger beat us. So as hunger dey beat us so, anytime they if una look well, make una go our villages now, una see the way our parents for village say dey fresh. Una
Yeah.
see the way they take dey live long. Why? Because they dey eat the food from the source. So now see we dey house now. Let's say for example now orange a person wan drink. Na to carry stick chook the orange, e go
Go
fall.
for.
E go do wetin? E go peel am for inside house there. But now e go need to drive go
Go
town,
junction.
go junction, see orange wey aboki dey peel. Aboki carry the orange come from far distance. The orange don pass through many process wey be say carbon, the dust wey dey come out from motor don already enter. Many things like this. Now we dey talk say wetin and how the agriculture for our country, how e suppose be. As we dey talk right now, developed countries for all over the world, they don forget say they dey use hoe and cutlass again take dey clear for farm.
My
They no
brother.
dey practice that one again. As we they no dey even do say they dey do mechanized farming again. Now they don go through computer wey be say you no need to even enter farm. You dey your house, you go dey control your farm from your house. This na the reason why we say we need to talk about agriculture. Why? Because hungry dey land, and if hungry dey land, the people will be conditioned to listen and dance to the tune of the government anything wey they carry come. Una see wetin happen for during palliative. You can imagine how my brother and your brothers, my sister and your sister comot for their house. Some people die for the palliative matter as they dey climb their self. Why? So imagine say everybody get food for house. Who won't go drag palliative? Let's be truthful. Who won't go drag palliative? Nobody. One of the major reasons why our brothers, our sisters still take dey collect money for election bribe na because they won't buy Maggi and salt. No say they won't collect the money. 5,000 go reach to pay children.
My brother, some way go collect money because they want buy salt and Maggi.
Okay.
No, me I don't agree.
Okay.
Some now greed, longer throat. You understand so?
Okay.
Now longer throat.
Yeah.
Even for palliative, some people drive motor go take go carry Indomie. Who carry motor go take go carry Indomie? That one is hungry. No, wait, come. Who drive motor? Better motor. Take go carry one carton of Indomie. What do you call that one? That one are hungry. I've been waiting.
If you check the statistics of people when drive,
wait, the people answer me. Person wey carry motor, fine motor. Take go carry one carton of Indomie. What do you call that one? That one are hungry. I've been waiting.
And I say if you check the statistics of people when carry motor go and people when use leg go, you see 1 in 100. And if you check where that person when carry motor go, you know go fuel for that motor.
I couldn't drive the motor reach there.
Now they tell you so. Say hunger they beat them too.
Now make I can't drive motor.
So the hunger they touch even the rich. The hunger they touch everybody. Why now this strategy when the government already put in place, put it on ground, the rich man as we talk so now they don't get access to produce their own rice by themselves. So they see they buy the rice as the rice they cost 45,000. Only say they get the money in excess because they don't farm.
But you know say, my brother.
Yes sir.
That's why we get senators. Yeah. That's why we get House of Rep member. You understand so? Yes, now, as we battle the issue of agriculture, so why we get House of Rep member, why we get senator, what it be their duty? Their duty not supposed to say they advise government on to do the right thing because when they share for television, say so they share wheelbarrow. So they share wheelbarrow. So they share one bag of orange.
Where they take
a grand pepper. So me I don't know because if like say these people because they import their food come from abroad, they'll begin to carry cancer. Because they'll begin to carry cancer. My brother, I don't want to drag this matter because me I invest now. When will they grow up for village? I mean for village. People they happy to stay village. Why? Because this day. But now, our people now don't come up from village and you don't talk now.
Everybody don't migrate.
Everybody don't migrate, come town. Yeah. Now the people who still manage their village, cow not the letting they do farm.
At all.
So how we want to look this matter? It gets some people who carry 500 by 500. They go plant corn, some go plant cocoa, some go plant yam, some go plant cassava, some go plant plantain. Before you know now, cow they don't carry cow. They enter, they destroy this thing.
They go put fire.
They go put fire. Like what did happen for Benue State? So all these things now they hinder food produce. Now the see to onion now be like gold. You know why? Our government they don't plan for eventuality. Why? Because they don't care. They don't care. So all this matter that we really need to put man this evening. So I don't know because the thing they vex me now. It vex me now. My brother, how you see this? Why we get senators?
Okay, one of the major reasons why we get our representatives, either at the Senate level or House of Rep, now to be our eye and to speak our voice for the federal level. But over the time, they don't betray the struggle. They know even they come home. They will dey Abuja until it reach time for another election again.
They
come again. The small money where they don't gather, they use that to deceive the people. They will give them 1,000, 2,000. Who no agree? They will use gun, take pursue am. Use gun, take pursue am for community. Before you know they go enter, they will enter again. And you don't continue. Their supposed role now to they present the issue when they happen for their local government, for their constituency, to the federal level. So okay, fine. My people, when they Orion, for example, we are good in farming, and our best crop, for example, na yam or cassava. So on that note, we want to open a 1,000 by 1,000 hectares or 5,000 by 5,000 hectares of land to ensure that we encourage our people. And this and they no go do that one. But if na their private farm, they know how to do them.
No, in fact, oh God, my brother. See, then they manage a farm.
Yeah, very well.
Very well. You get that one where they call POI. POI. Nobody they copy it at that time.
Pastor Sagi's
POI. POI, me I will fire you this evening. Because when you they do campaign, you bring simple agenda, you know it's not simple. Now you they tell us she rice, Abakaleke rice, you get farm. So POI, why you never put your farm? Most cities say you still try for that area. We never see them. Because me I never ever see your yam or tomatoes or maggi for market. So now all these things we they talk. On Gade land, nothing every day they talk am. A day is coming when the poor will have nothing to eat, they will start eating the rich. Mona go Makan. A day is coming when the poor will have nothing to eat. The last option is to start eating the rich. And we are going there gradually. So hunger na bad thing. So that's the reason why we must encourage our brothers. We must encourage our sisters. Make we go back to farming. And this is the area government also need to put a good structure on ground to encourage the people. My brother, but you know say that they give farm loan to people.
Yes, but
now who they collect that money? Because nobody the real farmer, they collect that money.
One of the issues we get for Nigeria, we tried discuss, and I think was it 2 days ago, we talked about database. Yesterday rather, we don't get data for Nigeria. So when we talk about farmers' data, we'll start to run a scatter. Why? Because if government come out say they won't give a loan or grant when they call free money to farmers, they'll come they find the farmers up and down.
They're going to find
before you know, the same government officials, the another time they will know they will include their daughter when no fit spare farm.
They
will include their son, all of them, their name. They go to put their name inside the farmer database
to collect money.
So before you know, when they start to disburse money, the real farmers when suppose go farm, they no go see the money they go farm. This is not the issue. Why? But for the northern part of this world, of this country rather, they, to a very large extent, their representative, they're very truthful to them to an extent. Their representative, they try to see how they represent their people when it comes to this aspect. So you see, say they get better farmland, they get machineries. Machine when we say if they put the machine for farm in less than how many minutes, it don't clear, it don't open the land.
But you know say, oh God, brother, you know that's when they talk about government, You know say people they be say they really get money when they do mechanized farming.
Yes.
Why be say that oh God. When I remember Nigeria, what I run away me ayo. Aye, what I run away me aye. When I remember Nigeria, what I run away my ayo. Aye, what I run away me aye. See, we don't pass that stage. People suppose they farm. People they fear to go farm.
Let me go.
My brother, people want to go farm.
Yes.
They don't feel go because of head smell.
They will just scatter their investment.
Because of nama. Now this matter, me I go they want make state government begin to put hand for this matter. If you notice you get cow, go build ranch for your cow. Cow business na your business. I don't know why when they use now cow business, they spoil our farm. If you get cow, both start with a dough. If you get cow for this, will they call on a name? Go build ranch for a cow. Will they call on a name because una not they make our people they go farm again. You see person want carry yam farm, you no go fit. Why? Because of fear of the unknown, fear of cow, fear of nama to come destroy what they don't do. People they're ready to carry 20 acres of land.
Of course.
They're not fit, you know why? Because cow will come. Now who be this? Okay. So I beg, continue for this matter because the thing that you invest me now.
It just be like what you talk, so it just be like what the people for Ologbo. They face. As we speak now for Ologbo, I shock the last time when I go do research for Ologbo. I noticed say
No worries.
I notice say the women, most especially for Ologbo, they wait for where they take the ground cassava for Okada to bring cassava from the nearest village. Ologbo no get cassava. They no get cassava farm. You see women, if na lie, you said lie. If you know anybody for Ologbo, call the person, ask the person, say, how una take dey get garri for Ologbo? Una get una own cassava farm, may they tell you. If you ask 20 people, 18 go tell you, say they stand for where they take the ground cassava. They'll wait for Okada. Now Okada go bring cassava. So they buy 2 bags, I think 6,000. Last time I did my survey, they buy 2 bags of cassava, 6,000 naira. Now there, for that way they grind the garri, so now there those women will sit down. They will come peel them, they will come grind them before they will come try to kind of go out, go fry. Ologbo, when be village, I can't ask them, say, why would I not get garri farm? Say garri farm for where? Say, number 1, they don't sell our land finish.
Ew.
Number 2, the one when remain, fear no let us enter. X-Men, they kill our people. I say, but you have traditional rulers. What are you doing? Say traditional rulers. Say anytime when they go lay complaint, give traditional ruler go tell them, say, now so we see them in your own community.
My brother, make I tell you that now so we share.
Okay?
Hausa man no dey carry enter any community.
It's not possible.
Without they not see the Enoge and the traditional ruler. Because when they come, they go come in a softer way. They'll first come with money.
Yeah.
As they come with money, they'll come with cow.
Yeah.
Now so that they do, and they'll come present cow. So now so that outside when they carry, they enter the invade. No. So as they donate cow, give the man will come say, okay, you are free to come in. Now so they enter. Before you know, they don't take over everywhere. And if we want to settle this matter of herdsmen for our community, we will need to start from our chiefs.
Of course.
Our chiefs, now they get hand for this matter, them or John Way and the rest. Now they collect money from these Hausa people hand. Hausa, they very wise. If they want catch you, they'll give you money and cow. Once you don't collect money, don't chop cow. You know if we restrict their movement. You know if we control them because you don't give them the passage. So for us to solve this matter, our chiefs, our Junwe, our Enigi, the so-called big men, they need to sit down now. If they want make people go back to farm, make them stop to collect cow from the man for the Hausa people hand. They make them stop their activities. If they not say we not say we will not come. We not say not to your cow. Buy land, build your ranch, make your cow day inside.
Yeah.
So that our people will go back to farming again. And the area where the government need to also provide security. Because security, we are not saying government don't they provide to ensure, say, the people they carry big farm, they enter agreement with government so that they get security to the guide those farms. Because hunger where they land no be here. And the only solution not be to share money. No be to share money. Everybody go back to farm. And not be everybody go to go university. Because we ask the person, I want to study law, I want to study this. If everybody can't go university, if you know who can go farm. Who can go farm?
Where I think say we need to come dey look into na farming don dey grow too. People as we speak right now, some countries they know they use soil. This normal ground they plant again.
Not chemical now.
Not even chemical. Some they use water they plant. As we speak right now. Some they plant, they go up to sky. They know they plant, they go straight like this for ground. As we speak right now.
You dominate.
They call them aeroponic style of farming. You can go back after this video. If you go YouTube, go type aeroponic style of farming or aquatic style of farming. That aquatic style of farming, now when they use water, they don't use soil, they don't use sand.
Yeah.
They plant again.
No water.
This now because say technology don't come to stay and it don't grow. As we also speak, so people they ask question, say why it be say we need to they use hoes and cutlass. So technology don't go past that one. So even though say anybody want go school, go study agriculture, if you see come out, get better big farm when go feed thousands of people. So I think say if we get that from that angle. Another thing when the government need to put in place now the issue of transportation, good road. Most of our farms no dey accessible. Again, one farm when I go access few years ago, the woman get 50 acres of garri for her farm. The cassava don dey there for 1 year and 8 months, close to 2 years. Now she come meet me say she no fit sell her garri. I say why? She say she no just know why. Say make I help her get people wey wan buy the garri. I say okay, ma come see your farm. Now we enter bush. Kurukere, 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 kurukere. We never reach farm. Before you know, she carry me, they pass one place. Before we reach farm, no road for Okada to even pass enter farm. For Okada to carry 1 bag of cassava come out from our farm, na 1,000 naira. To carry 1 bag come out, come where motor we fit carry am. Now I ask woman say, how you take see this land for here? She come say she just rent the land. I say, you forget say this garri you carry am come out, no good road accessibility. This they also add to cost of production when they make food items, the cost. So we go also appeal to our government to, as well as Obaseki, when we say agriculture they part of your agenda, please help us go to all these communities.
No, not to drag am. Not to drag am. Yeah. As you dey talk so, me I go give governor A1 for year.
Okay.
You know why I will give am A1?
No.
He get one road. The road dey lead to one major village. I show you now if you dey go Okada.
Okay. Yeah.
That road, it dey go Ulakpa. As when they talk so that governor don dey tie the road they go. And that road across it pass about 7 community. Down to Ulakpa. You know why they do that road now? Because enough of food they come out from that village. Yeah. That's only my eyes see because I will go video the road. So apart from that one, many days we will need to focus on. I beg.
So
as I remember, I'm going to talk.
So we appeal to our governor, make it help us open our farm road. If our farm road they open, truck go fit dey easily access our farms. And once they easily access our farm, una too know say they no go overcharge our farmers the amount where they will take carry their crops come out. And because of that, it no hungry our farmers to the too add money join waiting they sell. But because of the cost of their production, they go add money join. And as they add money join, they leave everything. You understand? So, but if our government fit help us open our farm road, then that means say the cost of production go low. And if cost of production low, that means the cost of all these food items for market, it go also reduce.
Okay, and that one a good point. I hear they say my governor want build prison. I read them for social media. I not see am or I hear them. Me I go advise if not true, Oga no need to build prison.
At all.
Use that money, the land. I usually don't buy the land. Use that land then, build industry. Build industry. We say we'll feed the process our own cassava.
Yeah.
We'll be so called about elubo. They feed the corner, they process juice.
So many things there.
So many things. So, Oga, no need to build prison. So what you do? Use that money. We want to build prison. To bring development. What are those development? I know so you get good plan. You understand? But we don't need prison for now. So the money, I hear them, I read them for people. So the money where you take build prison, sir, use that money to build industry. When it be say our people go feel work, make federal government build prison by themselves. May they repair those 2 minutes repair them. Then for you, sir, use that money where you want to build prison. Use them, build more industry. Like those villages where road not day, where you don't talk during campaign. So we will remind you now, you've used those money, take that road, go inside that village, even cross the river. So that people they encouraged to go into farming. And we physically get agricultural village. We don't get agricultural village. Nothing they bad. Say we get agricultural village. My governor, sir, for if they go look on Okada Road, land food there. If they go Bogui, land food there. I've been out road, land plenty, Jabrata. Nobody fit developer. So open up those roads, open up those farms, collect them from the people, buy them from the people. When I put industry, before you know now, before you know, don't they work. Nothing stop us say we get state water, those state table water.
Yes.
You understand? So government, you officially build those state table water for that land where you don't say you want to build prison now. Build Edo State table water. That table water, if other people they sell their own for 100 naira, make Edo State table water be 50 naira. Because for Lagos now, water na 50 naira for bottled water. So all this one are idea. So that land we don't buy now, say want to do prison, use that land, convert that to mechanic village. Or so many things there to do with that land, sir. This one is my own personal opinion. So this is my own opinion. So that money we want to build prison. No, sir. No, sir. We must first of all find out the cause of crime before talking about what to do. Because if we not deal with the root of crime, even if you build 400 prison, now
all of us going to
all of us will enter the prison. So the truth be said, now to find out the solution, that's what they talk about farming now. That's what they talk about Greek now. You remember I said knife for?
Yeah.
I drive go knife for. Now knife for, now we they produce oil before.
Yeah.
Malaysia people come, they come collect some seasoning. Now they carry and go. It don't finish now. Now we can buy oil from their hand. So, sir, my governor, I know you get good intention, but no, you know use that money build prison. Use that money to build good industry where our people if you go work. I know you get good plan. So we don't need prison. I need a prison. Singapore, a prison in Singapore.
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Prison not the Netherlands. You know why? Because they put system. So now that system, now no one made me, Apostle Alfred, one make you put for grant. So that make our people go back to farming. Now, we'll produce our own milk. So you know.
Yeah, of course.
From cow. We can just take and produce our own milk.
If we make us get our own light.
We go get that.
Or show more power plants. That means say you don't get anything when we do again.
You don't get anything. You don't share the light what they follow today. So anything make governor, they bring light come. It means they go fit do everything. So my governor, I'm Apostle Alfred, and my brother Victor, our own opinion be this. Money to take build prison, build more industry. You understand? So build more industry. So I make our guys, villages, they will need to open up. We want to open up open villages. Because a lot of the truth is say people want to go back to farm. You know why they don't want to go now? Because of Nama. If they don't get Nama. Bobbies will get. Even a Bobbies will cow now they disturb people now for Ute for Bay area. So all these people need to be called to order so that we will go back to farming. Now so me and Sam will talk as it be. That's what they call it. This broker and talk as it be. So now brother, that's what they be.
Apostle, you don't take time dig deep into the matter when you just raised a very strong one. Talk and say our governor, we know say you mean well and you want help us sanitize our society. But because say we be people when they stand for the masses, we know say our brothers and sisters when they put on for bad thing, deep down, no hungry most of them to do. Na condition, na make them. If that is the case, sir, we go appeal. Say that project, make it no be state project. No, why? Because we know say you be governor when understand how to fix society. On that note, we know say you get so many projects when you don't already outline. Please, we go like make you position that money well for project when go really benefit the Edo State people directly. Because as Apostle talk, for Netherlands, they don't get one single prisoner. As at late last year, they celebrate 10 months without one single prisoner for prison. They celebrated it. They had prisoners before now, but they begin to sanitize the system gradually, and they can't realize say, as they can't become country when we say for 1 month no prisoner, 2 months no prisoner, 3 months just like that.
Everywhere they busy. Everybody they busy.
I don't go White House. I don't go Oko to go preach to the prisoners when they there. I don't carry research for White House and Oko. I don't organize training for the for White House staffs on financial intelligence. I know what all of them be face, and so we go appeal. Say make that money they channel to helping us to build industry. Apostle don't make mention of several industry. Not stopping us from having Edo Water. Edo Water will sell so much to help us bring about competition in the market.
Just as you just bring competition for light now.
Just as you bring competition for light, anything wey don make you do light, sir Obaseki sir, then let me say you no get wetin you no fit do.
Nothing.
Again. That is the truth. You no get wetin you no fit do again. So we go appeal to you to do that. And another thing, when we also need to take fix agriculture up for our state, na wetin they call extension services.
Okay.
You know say we don dey align and dey come. We don talk about the issue of herdsmen to help us in area of insecurity. Number 2, we don talk about road to help us open our farm road. Number 3, now we talk about extension officers. We no get extension officers. Wetin be the role of extension officers?
That be one because you already talk and because the black say some, you know, say some people for government, you don't even know what they call extension officer.
Extension officer na people when get latest information on how to improve agriculture.
Like if I want to catch you now, you know, take governor don't talk. He say now this second regime, he want employ civil servant, young people with they intelligent. I believe some of these will talk, so you go day table.
That's true.
I believe say day table, but I wonder would they hammer again so that make you know maybe don't come blow him. I know they get that kind of thing for table. So continue, my brother.
So we go advise. Simon will get better structure for extension officer. So we get 18 local government for Edo State, for example. As we get 18 local government for Edo State, nothing go bad if we fit get nothing less than 5 extension officers when they stationed for each local government. 5. Now, these 5 extension officers, their duty now to get, number 1, the database of farmers for their local government.
They're not going to do
Yes, sir. They will get database of farmers for the local government, where they assign them to. So now them go, they advise the farmers, okay, fine, this and this and this are what you need to do for improved practice. Why? Because what we also realize for farming, we say because money don't enter we young people eye, quick money don't enter our eye. So many of us don't come up for farm. So as many of us don't come up for farm, the old people when you see the farm, it dey difficult to teach them modern practices. To come they tell them say now so you can't enter one machine, you go the driver to the clear, if they go look say wetin dey worry you want use your machine tire to spoil my land. They go they look you, say you don't know what you talk. Or for example, you can't say see wetin I be extension agent and I know wetin our eyes they face if you go feed, if you go village, they go tell them say see they over they laugh you. Say, see this small picky, which you know. I bet come out, you know when they do this, you don't take. Now when they talk, say, for us to fix agriculture, when we say food, we feed day in surplus for everybody. That means say we must start with the practice mechanized farming. And for us to practice mechanized farming, we need young people to come into farming. And for young people to come into farming, that means farming must be made lucrative. And we must ensure say it is enticing for young people. So you know if you expect me, I'll come the go farm, I'll just farm, I'll just black, I'll see go farm finish before you know, a cow go enter my farm, it go finish everything. You understand? We must make farming enticing for young people. So when we say if young people come into farming, they will see the dividends of going into farming. So we need extension officers per local government. When extension officers go, they teach the farmers. Okay, fine. This now wetin go happen. Like now, for example. Wetin happen for Nigeria when make on your course? Now because say water flood enter farm
finish.
This one alone, now wetin extension officer fit solve? How? It go take solve am.
Nigeria.
Extension officer by default say he get the knowledge. He go down forecast. Now wetin Igbo dey do be this?
See wetin wan happen no.
He go down forecast. Say in the next 6 months.
So
we will get uprising
for
sea. And as we will get uprising for sea, they will start to calculate fast. See the way we take guide them. For example, man rush enter Lagos. 5-6 years ago for Lagos, when they do analysis, say see, Bar Beach won't rise. Before you know,
they don't start work.
They don't start to dig the sea. They don't dig the sea around. Where we ensure say, no matter how the water till they come,
they know if it pass.
go fit suppress, I know if it pass. That now waiting we dey talk about. Now, no be waiting we say he had.
Wait, my brother. We not get Minister of Agriculture.
Minister of Agriculture na banker.
Na banker.
He's a banker.
Holy Ghost fire. No wonder they never catch tomatoes people they there.
He's a banker.
No wonder they never catch whether onions they there. Banker.
Yeah.
Minister of Agriculture. Who are DGO. The issue why? Nothing stop all the local government chairman to get farm. Yes. Person they laugh. What? Yeah, DG. That does not do anything. So, all the 18 local governments for those states, they should get farm. You know now.
We don't talk
I
about.
kill that mosquito though. Mosquito they chop you. For our studio now, mosquito you they chop off our studio. Now part of it.
We don't talk about personalized farm for local government. We talk about
Chairman
to
council
raise money
to get farm. Council.
to raise no be council chairman farm. Oh.
Council. Now let's assume Ego. Ego can acquire land. Ego can acquire land. If they want just go, if na tomato, cucumber, we say Ego. Oh yeah,
You are very correct, sir.
make una produce tomato
Sir, you don't-
and cucumber.
Sir, you don't catch this in a vision.
They
You don't
now
catch it.
go Oredo. You say Oredo, your own produce yam. Your own are just to produce yam
Yam.
and potato. That's what for Oredo. Don't now go Iyokoriomo.
Oh, yeah, say
You say
onions.
Iyokoriomo. Wait till I go produce now onions.
Plantain.
Onions and plantain. Then I can't go Okada. For Okada or the Gwetu and the rest, they won't be so yeah, make una produce enough plantain, enough corn. My brother, I tell you,
Enter Uchi and Koma, your rice.
oh my God. Just go out Auchi, go Boma, go
Rice.
Uromi. You say, oh yeah, una own for that zone, produce rice.
Rice for us.
We go, see, hunger will die natural death. Nobody go dry cut.
We no go get food for our state. We go get food for
Food
our
go block.
As we speak, I follow Percy talk. He say bag of rice for north na 16,000. 16,000. But before they will carry enter here, you will come enter that kind 20 something thousand. Before our Bini and Edo brothers and sisters,
Those are
they come add their own pools.
tax.
Before you know, they will come say
Labour union.
labor corporation. Before you know, don't enter 40,000.
So,
So imagine say that rice.
do the produce of Auchi.
When we go Agbede go do survey, Agbede rice. Agbede they have over 400 women when they process rice. But una know why they tell us say they no fit the package that rice. They say the machine when they say they produce the rice, say the machine not strong enough to take mill the rice to break the paddy.
Yes.
So they go need to sprinkle water on top the paddy so that they go feel soft small for the machine to break am. So as they don sprinkle water on top, as they come mill and finish, they will come need to go sun the rice. That's why stone and sand dey enter.
That what the machine go fit do naturally.
So they will come go sun the rice again for under sun. And I know say they no fit get patient. As the sun and finish, e no dry well. Anything wey make them put am for bag say they wan bag am. 2 weeks after, you go start to dey remove muko. That's why you see say many of our local rices,
No dey last.
they no dey bag am. They will just open am. Why? Because anything wey make them bag am,
It don't
you go
finish.
start to dey remove muko.
Guy.
They are producing rice as we speak in Agbede. I know that one. What do they need? What they need modern tools. They need modern tools. When we say you go fit help them improve on wetin they dey do, we fit get surplus of food. We are saying that the Nigerian people, the Edo State people must end bad governance. Why? Because if government can put all this in place, which apostle just talk now. So imagine say each local government get particular food that it can produce.
Target.
To produce.
It's achievable.
Very, very achievable.
It's achievable. See, oh God. See, that's why we are men of God. See, God give us foresight. We know what to do. It's just for the people to sit down now. Quick. A God can produce what I talk to tomatoes.
Land day.
Land day. Una money for a month. Una only see our problem is in our greed. As now they enter power, the next thing, now go buy buy house for Kafanchan. Now go buy house for Dubai. Now go buy G-Wagon. Now buy bulletproof Benz. Now buy Toyota. Man on that wife.
They will get hotel when they will keep.
Now be the una sickness. Now be the sickness of our leaders. Now be the sickness that they sick. So they give them idea now. Hey God, make governor just say this 18 local government do na project.
This is what I want you to produce.
Produce for me. Go and produce. I see people when they join court, no join court again.
Go and produce.
They don't join court. Why? You know why?
There's food in surplus.
You know why? Because in the morning, you're telling say a day, see how much they'll pay you a day for you. They'll share portion give you.
Yeah.
Presco feed one. Presco feed
Can you
one.
imagine that? It's an insult.
Presco feed one. We go feed one. We go feed one. So share this thing by local government. Just say, oh yeah, Okada zone. This is what you are producing. What they produce for them. We know what they happen for Okada. Now empower them. So this is what you are going to do. See, our students will say they must go that jam. They don't go that jam again. Because jam don't jam there. Come out. Go street now, everybody want to go university. Nobody they go farm again. So if they make and they're encouraging, see, the end point of education, man, just tell them the truth. Victor. The end point of education is ability to put food on your table.
Yeah.
That's the end point of education. Let me tell you one story. I get course way finish Uniben. My brother. For 8 years, the boy finished, no work.
Okay.
Now I can go join a brother to do painting. He's not a big boy. But no be so supposed to be. So our own nana to talk, to make sure the government look into this area. As we don't talk about Ego, now where or the Gwete get big land, my brother. They get big land. Like Ugbo Jobo, I know say that they produce yam. That will empower those people. Give them target. Food go jabrata. Because man will feed eat well. Share give your neighbor, build house. See, what is the essence of life? Number one, ability to feed.
Yes, now.
Buy you eat where you get house. Maybe you buy one small motor. Finish. It's just that our people, when agreed what our politicians agreed.
They know what to do.
They know what it's supposed to do. Now, since they don't know now, we they tell them now. Since you know, we they revive one work on our consciousness. So like Ego now. Now, if a state follow that suit, other state governments go follow suit.
Of course.
Before you know, everybody become rich. Dubai get oil.
No.
India get oil.
India, no, for real.
But go see what they produce. So, my people, these one are some of the things where God they reveal to
Dubai
us.
get oil.
Dubai get oil.
Yes,
okay, but they depend on oil.
No.
So, make we do the right thing. Our honor to the talk. And these one are some of the things we will go the hammer on Saturday. By the grace of God, the hammer. Because if by local government, governor don't give the target, not be all those you don't pay worker salary, pay teacher salary, you say you have done something. You have not done anything. You have not done any zero or an area. So let us do the right thing. If we feel kill corruption and bad government in agriculture, kill corruption. Now, if you go and say, I move farm now, NDDC tractor where the share come, they own farm now. Chief, no G. That's what they be now.
Okay.
That's what they be. So, my people, tell friend truth, you know, they keep friend. We get the idea. Now make the empower the youth we know which is supposed to do. Before you know, okay, go, okay, you know the agriculture study for Uniben.
Yes, sir.
Tell us what you done with your agriculture.
For where? When I look. Now I say, me when you finish school, when I need small money to take, as I won't finish it, they expect me to send money to come out. Now I say, okay, make I enter agro marketing. The agro marketing, because since no money to take get land, may enter agro marketing. Make I they connect people when get agricultural produce to sell, and then to connect them to better market to sell and give. Now I can start to do. Now that one can even save my head small. Then we come before I can enter into agro consultancy. So okay, fine. This and this. But myself and my friends, it get how we don't sit down, they analyze. So okay, fine. This and this. I need what we need to do to fix agriculture. Because one thing about agriculture, be say the amount the capital when you invest for agriculture, na im go determine your output.
Yeah.
That's your income. So, because if Apostle collect 10 acres of land now, and me I collect 1 acre of land, if we say one plant corn together, it go depending on the variety of the corn we plant, it go take 2 months or 3 months. It go take due for harvest. You know, if you expect say Apostle when plant 10 acre, and me when plant 1 acre, now the same profit go come out.
No.
That means say why Apostle plant 10 acre? Now because say he get more money to invest on 10 acre. You understand? And that same period, the 2 or 3 months when the corn take grow, depending on the variety of corn we plant, now if Apostle gain 500,000 for example, in that 2 months, me for that 2 months, me if he can gain like 25,000 or 30,000, comparing to all the stress and the time frame. So this is now why we dey say we need investors. The government must open an agricultural bank.
My brother, even as government we dey talk about this thing, community elders they know they try. Because I know people maybe they get land, they want to do farm. Community people no dey let their farm they grow.
They will threaten them.
They threaten them. So, oh God.
Now they will tell you this history of the land. They will tell you the history, and so many land they waste. So many land they waste. So when they say to end bad governance in Nigeria, in Edo State, hunger they catch us. And as hunger they catch us, we must fix agriculture. Why? Because now there be the hope to revive hunger for our land.
To kill hunger, to revive.
To kill hunger for our land. Because many of us no fit afford a better meal. When I mean better meal, I mean not when you say you go eat eba in the morning and by the afternoon and by the evening you can't say you don't chop. No, that's what we are saying. When you say you fit get choice of food to eat, you know they happen. And for those of una when they abroad, una see how food they cheap. And the last time I check, you get one course we do for school. They teach us. They say America get food bank where they don't store their food. When we say if God curse the land, say this land no produce food again. Say in the next 100 years,
they're not hungry.
They're not hungry. They don't store food.
We don't get for Nigeria.
They don't store food. They store food. They call them food bank.
That's why we will get this onions bank now.
So we'll go open them.
We open them.
We open it. Yeah, thank you, sir. So in a moment like this, so I think we say we get food bank where we get the onions. As flood don't take over the distance, not to carry the onions come.
Can I come out?
Open market back. You don't see them. So we need to end bad governance in Nigeria. That's the storyline. We need to unite together. Unite together and agitate to end bad governance. This is now why our strategic youth conference, we no need to miss them. Why? Because on that very day, we're going to share so much light on the new Nigerian template. We're not going to just the agitator, but we're going to see how we fit take position the new Nigeria when all of us they yearn for. And not just that, we talked something yesterday, say who just marry, who won't marry, and they always cover the wife.
They'll cause it unveil.
Apostle
to name that the better one. No?
To name that the better one.
Whether not ghost.
Okay, now Apostle if you talk away because me never.
If that maybe they can't carry ghost or they can't carry egg, maybe you see. Oh God.
So that day we will need to unveil our own strategic idea when we don't already cook down. Say we'll fit to use this idea, take wake up the Nigerian people, both the youth, both the elder, to look forward towards 2023 because 2023, no, we must change them. That protest when they attack, so a joke. Joke, na in the day.
Will they come?
Joke, na in the day. So since the same on no day street, they say we dey dirty the street, no problem. We don't go back to our room. But inside our room, we'll tell them say the power of this social media. So is strong. So from inside our room, we go to connect each other. So talk say before they open the eye, look,
Thank you.
we don't already
I'll
vote
take
finish.
over.
We don't vote finish. And
If
anyway,
there
they
one
want to
ring.
No, you know if you work.
Oh.
You know if you work.
And they think a heart attack. You cuckoo.
Yes, now.
Kaka, cuckoo.
No, if you
Nobody
work.
die.
So this now reason why we go appeal to you. The flyers they online. I believe say you go down to see the flyers. It dey online. Help us share the flyer. Also help us remember say Nigeria no be a bad country. No, Nigeria is not a bad country. Either we take it or we leave it.
It's a good
Nigerians are the bad people.
Yeah.
And the Nigerians that are the bad people are few. They're not many.
That few.
They are few.
And now we keep quiet.
Take it or leave it.
We keep quiet.
And so for Nigeria to change, Nigerians
need to
must
change.
For Nigeria to change, Nigerians must change. And for Nigerians to change, the right ideology
Must come to place.
must come to place. This is the reason why we say, more come together. Let us talk to ourselves. Okay, time don't reach when we say, we need to agree, if not to eat once in a day, to push the Nigerian dream.
Well done.
We need to agree, if not to eat at all, to push the Nigerian dream. We will agree. Say from this time to this time, and I want to do it. We go do it. If not for some of us to enter spiritual matter, we'll enter the spiritual matter. Because we know say everybody know if they feed. Some people they don't get the strength to they feed, but they get the strength
To fast.
to fast.
Pray.
So if you imagine some people don't get the strength to come and come protest, but no, they feel sit down inside their room 7 days
pray.
they chop, they fast, they don't chop.
Bakasata.
That one now waiting. That one even get
More
weight
than who they
person
street.
on the street. So all of us get our own part to play. No undermine your own. Say, man, I dey far. As a matter of fact, anything your brothers there, don't forget. Your sisters there. No, even though say you travel, you spend 50 years for there.
House go see hungry you one day.
You can't look say, no, I need to come house. Which house? This our house. Come now. Now from airport. Now immigration go fit collect the money when you carry come. Which house? So as you dey far so, I beg we need me you wanna join us. Wanna join us to make our home a better place.
So my people, quick one, by the grace of God, sanity don't return back to the state. And we're not they part of people they say things they spoil. Sanity has returned back to the state, and by the grace of God, the police had been deployed back, federal police. They got this strategic location now. They did for Gbowo as it now they stop and search anybody they all suspect straight. So those federal police they all be my yo because when I see they will search you. If I did say they be ghosts, they know the bad people. So they know the people that they stop. So they know the day now, and they do Gbowo. I believe they did Saple Road. I believe they did Sapumba Road. I believe they do other places. Yeah. I believe. That's why they do Gbowo. So make una not worry. By the grace of God, sanity has returned back to the state, and the governor, in his own wisdom, he don't want to really offend a lot of adults. That the truth be that. Or governor don't want to offend a lot of persons, but he's doing everything he can to ensure that total sanity return back to the state. I also want to assure you by the grace of God, with the eyes of the Spirit, this December is going to be the best December. Why? Because it's going to be crime-free December. I believe. And those of Norway, they fear to come Nigeria, come Edo State, and not fear. Edo State is safe by the grace of God. And God also God also help governor with his own wisdom. The man, if you know they talk, if you know they shout, but they put things in place. So, federal police now, they're everywhere now for Edo. All those brothers, all of it, they run now. They don't run now. And me, I would suggest make a banned courtesan for Edo State completely. May they ban them. Because when they see you carry gun, you are a thief. Anybody they call say courtesan, you carry gun, you are a thief. So they should ban courtesan completely, and anybody they catch when they arrest their parents. Because now their hand night day. So now true. Some children they will say, Mama don't talk, I don't hear. So I beg. By the grace of God, sanity has returned back to the state, and those federal police, they're on ground now. Federal police is on ground, so they do the metro block now for everywhere to check vehicle, which they don't, because we see some today. So they do the arrest on motors right now. When they just suspect you, say, they'll catch you. So you go come, you go come. Don't tell us you are not coming. You will come. You must come.
Who you call they leave the country?
I don't tell you. Who you want to leave the state for? You go come. Don't tell her you're not coming for now. No, talk. F.A., you will come. You will come. How you judging no come? What's that? You will come.
Why you the wrong?
I just tired. Not be here with you. Me and the here. But you will come. So by the grace of God, the governor is doing his best. Make we just join hands together. Make we play our part. I felt talking before. All those boys they commit crime, they not be ghosts. They be human beings.
Of course.
They did for family. They did family house.
Yeah.
Okay, network no let una talk where.
Eyo.
Hey, yeah, you feel calling direct. You know so that's what they be. So very soon we'll still talking about end bad governance in network. Una go call. Don't tell me we know they come. Una go call. Okay. I know I hear them. I better talk to them more.
Before una wake up, una would also say we dey do this broadcast, for Germany too. We don't come up. We don't come up.
We'll come out.
We'll call the wait for the update. When I want to see the update for Ekema Road.
Okay now. Okay now.
We too. Tomorrow morning we don't enter Germany.
We don't come out.
So
no more updates. No more update of Ocean Power Plant. No more updates.
Avec Edo in our own.
In our own.
Nigeria in our house.
Our
own. We need to come house back. Yoruba get one out. They say Ajo Dabile. They say abroad. You know, be like home. At all. I beg we need to come. I'm going to start today. See how we take prepare our own way. Oh, God will bless all of us.
Una do well. So my brother, you know say the more they talk, the more the thing they sweep me for belly. You go come.
No, you don't calculate.
You come. Please, you come. No, on a very serious note, the governor is doing his best. He's doing his best, and sanity has returned back to the state gradually. And I want to assure you, with the eye of the spirit, this December is going to be the best December. Yeah. This December is going to be the best. Yes, it's going to be the best. I'm aware, I'm telling you. No fear, but don't worry. The governor often it. If he know they talk, but he's putting things in order.
True.
And that's why some of us don't vow. So we go support them, we will encourage them, work where they do, we go make sure say people they see them, we go encourage them. You understand? So, and one pastor woman today, now I could talk about my brother.
Okay.
One pastor woman, when she say I attack pastor, said me they still join government. Now do my come my post. He said I support governor 700 million for security vote. That woman I support this Yamun, a pastor too, support this Yamun for simple agenda. Because they don't want hear truth. Everything about security votes, security votes. You as a pastor, you don't give accounts to your member the money they collect from their hand. Tell friends, you know say, my matter not the whole, my matter what Christianity church have a role to play in society, in nation building. Yes, the church have a role to play. So I never get that time for that woman yet. The woman, he with your husband and the support is Yamu don't free now. You're not looking at security vote. Why you not tell Buhari say security vote? Security vote. I beg you, my brother. Tell friend truth, you know they spoil friend. No, the town not hot. No. The town is cold. Don't worry. See, the town is cold. And the security, see, the truth is saying, a wise governor does not release his strategy to the people.
Yeah.
A wise man that want to combat crime does not need to come on air to begin to tell the people their strategy. Yeah. When you do that, you open up, you are telling the people outside you want to catch them. Now, this area, they respect the governor. A wise man, if you want to catch rabbit, you don't need to go to blow up a rabbit to the countryside, though. Then at the countryside, though. Thank you. That's what they be. You know, they talk about it, they be. Pastor, when I give account to member, they say, Pastor, governor, give us a account for security vote. Yet, they collect money from members. All those pastors, let me talk to now. We got Ruwagbe. All of them, they support them that day. 700 million. Then they support her. Israel don't fail now. Now, security vote, and they talk about. We don't never see the work where the man they do for grant. See also, see the light, oh God. If you see the way the government is string the light, now me myself be shocked.
Yeah. The connector enter all government facilities. Wow. all government facility. That means say all those excuses when they get before say you want do something for government office and they can't say no light to take type this one. Don't want no day.
You know they get.
And if you enter almost all government facilities right now,
They are connecting it.
you know go believe say
And
government
lights.
as in if you enter the way from government house to house of assembly to secretariat
To the hospital,
or to anywhere government facility
they connect all it.
they use modern infrastructural ideas. That is where me take respect Obaseki. Say no, this man understand.
But you know, see that light now. See, we drive go Sapele Road. They light the Sapele Road now.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they
Also,
power the street
it don't power to Ring Road and Sapele Road now. And the government they connect the light they go. They connect the light they go. So that's why some of us now we don't stick our neck. I bet you are sure now. You know, say me I don't defend anybody, and I owe nobody apology. Me, our team, we don't agree. See, any work we government they do with the show.
Yeah.
We go ready to buy data. We go shatter motor. Whether na Uchio, whether na Ekpomao, whether na Okada, we go shatter motor. We go there. With a video ram, make una they see and we they give una update. Because what this man they do, no be here. No, what this man they do, no be here. See, you don't see what you see for Kewa Road today, my brother.
You may see that deep gully.
I not on you.
As when I see the video now, outside near, I say, what if it is? Immediately I come. In short, the people when they walk, that's what they tell me, go back. Because fear even catch them. Because the thing is deep. Like, deep.
Underground sewage, maybe say go swallow water, eh? Oh God. See, I want to be Market Road. If you see the underground sewage when he did there, my brother,
They leave them for
Mona, you relax. Me and my Shona, me Apostle Alfred, the man when I campaign for, and I don't get regrets I campaign for him. So, make all of us, more just relax, more just fold hand, make we join hand, more support Obaseki. In fact, now the best man I would choose, the best choice. So make we just fold hand to move join together. Just ask me, don't take them upon myself to the show video waiting don't do what they do. Make we just day together. More day together, make we help governor. They build the state. I beg, make we just help governor. That's why we organize our own strategic youth conference. That's why they organize start to also help the people to help the government. So now so they be. They say, Apostle, what is your friend's name? Which are the friends again now? Okay, hey, Victor Olis.
My name is Victor Olis, sir.
So that's what they be. So we don't take them upon ourselves. We know how much we burn for fuel today.
Yeah.
We know how much we spend for data. May I shock you now? Every 3 days, my subscription is 10,000 naira. Every 3 days. Now God they provide a fund. Every 3 days, my subscription is not less than 10,000 naira.
Because they do the video
Because
every
second, every minute, I'm on live broadcast to give us update. That one our own responsibility. That one our own contribution. Because Bible doctor can say those that know what is good and do it not, to them is a sin.
Big sin.
Big sin. Big sin. Big sin. So let's watch at the show now. Let's join hands together.
Thank you, sir.
Let's support Obaseki. Those of you that will say, I voted for Obaseki. Oh, shut up, man, there. Fear, people fear, not let them talk to Buhari. Now Obaseki they feel talk to. When I only talk to Buhari, we increase fuel. Now Obaseki they talk to. So me, I don't get regrets I vote for Obaseki. I don't get regrets I support her. And I will continue to support her. We not support her because we look for appointment. Forget me. Forget it. This one where they do so not pass appointment, my brother.
Every appointment.
Every appointment now you're there so forget. People they love see that pastor woman. I will soon disgrace her one day. I will call her name. Now the woman they would just they buy vote. They buy vote for Isaiah. They share rapan at them. Pastor, they cry now. Security vote. They even ask Isaiah security vote. If I know why you why don't I ask about Shomole? Which you use 8 years security vote they do. Una no say Obaseki don't apply power. How they take the put them? Now teach to the pay them. Elsman, those people they control traffic. Now teach to the pay them. I'm not supposed to ask. Now those money, now Obaseki they pay those people. Una no go think. See the work of poor now. that down to the make sure that the guy they control
Sanity.
traffic, sanity return back to the state. Now he teach you what they pay them. Now you know he will use he was asking you use the hair, they go pay them. Then the S-man, those state traffic management, go see the wonderful work where they do. Even the Nigerian police they will tire.
Well coordinated.
Well coordinated. Nowhere where they not there for a those state. Not be Benio. Nowhere they not there for a those state. Now he teach they pay them. One of the reason where I be myself consider reason say not so this man. Now this money they talking. Now they pay all these people. Now they pay them. You know people we don't remove from streets. So come on government no fit do everything. But we will join them to play our role. By the grace of God, those states is going to be the best state. And those of you who vote for them, make una not to say, I don't vote for them. Now make him do, hey, calm down. Calm down. And so women, when they open mouth, they talk anyhow. When they talk anyhow, you just put your mind. You say for myself, you may come out. It matter if not try again, I don't fire una. Those women, those years I am with girlfriend. We will go consider me, you will carry phone call, you will shout. If a matter should come out, that tuna go fire on, I'm gonna take time. That tuna, if see, una way say we don't get peace for this state, we don't get peace. Any of una way they sponsor countries for this state, that tuna go fire on. If you there abroad, now if they send money, they buy gun, me they tell me this state ungovernable for that tuna go kill una and go share. All I know be say, all of us we support the Basaki, we no go regret her because we know the man will vote for. See, may I give an update for Benin Technical College? Update for Benin Technical College. As at last week, no, this week now, the information will reach me say government will employ another 80 staff. 80 staff, including NYSC members. 80 staffs. And I shock. Now, which means, as of today, now parents they beg, say, please, I want my children to come to this school. Why? Because of the facility and the teachers they grant. That's one of the man way they think. That one, not the man way they think. Okay, which company are they use? Now Airtel they use. Oh, I'm using Airtel for my browser. Now they use. What are your bad? You tell me how many gig? Before you know now, that 15 gig now 5,000. 30 gig now 10,000. Before I don't do one or two broker, it don't suck finish. It don't broadcast. So this is my own personal view. So calculate 10,000 every 3 calculate. Make how much we they sacrifice to make sure say una way they abroad. Una they get good information, constant information, genuine information, not be rumor, not be la. No, we they talk how much it be. But I know how many hours we don't take daily broadcastings, we they talk how to move the state. That one our own personal sacrifice. Calculator 10,000 times 3.
Now automatically that's about 100,000 because if you get 31 days, 31 days for the month,
okay.
If you divide them by 3 days, you get 10.3.
Okay.
So if you calculate 10.3 times 10,000 naira, that's 100,000 naira.
See, so which means a month I spend no less than 100K on subscription.
Unknowingly to also.
Unknowingly.
Because what we do, they suit us over there.
They suit me. And I'm happy. During election, I know how much I spend on subscription. But thank God for now we God see they use some of the way they there. So that's where they be. We know they do it because say, we want they do it, but we they do it because we want you guys to get the right information.
Yes, sir.
See, if you there abroad, now you the sponsor courtesan for this state, now thunder go kill you.
Amen. Oh.
If now you they sponsor people, mean they scatter this state so that make government not feel work, wanna give them bad name, now thunder go kill your generation.
Amen. So people they do it.
We don't carry on. See, just as we carry on basic matter to scatter, not always carry on matter to scatter.
Yes, sir.
We now people not do well. We know because the more they talk, that the more they think they sweet me for belly. Because the more information
they
come out. So I don't want to verse. So more not worry. You know, say during election, I tell them I say I will continue to give an update of the work we government they do.
Yeah.
And we go continue. This is on our own commitment. Okay, which number? Give me the number. Now 090.
090.
090 266 86 266. Now the number where they use be that for the subscription.
090 266 86 266, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Even the monthly subscription for Nigeria, not reach motto. That's why they say end bad governance. Monthly subscription, not reach motto. Monthly subscription, and 1 week. Yes, so that the tell the fraud and the 419 where they did the country. That is the fraud and the 419 when they did the country. If they're chasing a 1 month, now let not be 1 month. So this evening, all of una way join they support governor. Now so God will see raise people go support una for good. And those people where they see they join together to scatter the state. Now so God will see raise people go see scatter una. That's what they be. We. One thing we vote for them. We know so we vote for the right person. And the governor want to engage but he want to engage youth. We get sense, we will feel create. This second term is going to be the best term for every one of us. Calm down. Insecurity now all over the country. All over the country. You know, not yet say Boko Haram kidnap how many police officers? 12 police officers.
Assistant
ASP. Yes. ASP, now Boko Haram
They
kidnap.
come up from Borno, they go Zamfara. No, yes, Borno, they go Zamfara.
Yes.
And they say that they go for operation.
Yes.
So that means say they carry their own personal ammunition.
Yes.
So Boko Haram
Kidnap them.
kidnap our own police officers.
Our police officers.
Assistant,
Police officer, ASP.
they kidnap them with their guns.
Come on now.
So now they request for 800 million naira each.
So, make we dey tell ourselves truth. Obaseki dey try best. Insecurity na everywhere. If federal government no fit control anything. But Obaseki is doing his job. And I will continue to stand for him. I will continue to stand with him. And anything when I see they wrong way, no they do with me, I will see talk am. When I know now.
Change.
I just got change. Now know me. So that's what they be. We will continue to do our best. And thank God we carry our camera and go across the road. Wonderful job. The work is going on steadily. And some people complain say they may cover gutter. They never finish work. And I believe say governor get arrangement for them to cover this gutter. And because the reason why they don't finish cover gutter for those areas because of the volume of sand where they come out so that they clear the place. But and that one is my own opinion, but I don't know the government plan. So I beg, make we join together. Now Nizedo. Nedoama Nuseluama Emeje Iogiomba Iogievo Una do well. Now God.
Let's talk something. I think you need foreign number with monthly data.
I don't know. Anything I feel do, no problem. Oh, we there here. I want to say we'll continue to do the right thing.
Say I go try send UK line across.
Oh, thank you, sir. We need them. So they will help us.
If you go help us beat our data, then that means we are good to go.
We are good to go. Because Obaseki na project.
Big project.
Obaseki na project. Edo is move forward, yo, move forward, yo, backward never, yo, yo, no godfatherism, yo, move forward, yo, backward never, yo. God bless all of you now. Now so we go talk and reach, and I do well. We'll see tomorrow. Our studio now mosquito get the battles now. Mosquito the finish up our studio now. My leg, everywhere they scratch me. Now the studio one day.
This country, don't kill us.
God bless this country. God bless this country.
I bet Mona come out too.
Mona, I say I go beg you again.
Mosquito.
Mona come say me mosquito bite you small. He just say it no malaria. Don't give you malaria. Don't worry. We all bite you small. Okay. Because the mosquito need to test foreign blood.
Yes, sir.
Abi?
Of course.
Una do well. God bless all of una. So we'll continue from here tomorrow because the thing is fit me for belly, but the spirit of a prophet is subject to the prophet. That pastor woman where they accuse me, God will judge you. That pastor woman, I'll soon disgrace you, don't worry. But I don't gather your I never get your time. You say, hey, you know that Apostle Alfred, I support Obaseki. Yes, now. I don't get regrets. I support her. You will support chief. You will support my way. They will collect 700 million. You will support my way chief and tractor. You will support my way. Be say he carry money for campaign to the build hotel. You know something I will better pass you.
Who fear mosquito die?
No
man, I joke with the no mosquito in Nigeria.
No
mosquito in Edo State.
Bros, mosquito they no lie.
Obaseki don't flee Edo State.
No, lie be that to mosquito dey. Mosquito deal.
Baba, you don't flit at those days. No,
Never flit am una life. Never flit am. Okay, he said I will send you mosquito spray. I beg, go bring a combo. No, me I never happy first. Me I first share first. I know go be a first share first. Thank you in advance.
Now you like yes. Like you guys
Edo must move forward. Yo, move forward. Yo, backward never. Yo, yo. Edo must move forward. Yo, move forward. Yo, backward never. Yo. If the lack make all the tigers and lions they kill themselves in the name of cultism, Edo must move forward.
Yes, we are moving forward.
If they lack, mean they sponsor the killing for this town, Edo State must move forward. They don't fail. I beg, I say they be my people, mona relax. No shaking. My name is Tim Apostle Alfred, you know, aka Tokamasi B. My brother,
Victor
Olise. God bless you. Good night.
Thank you.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa how the government go fit take bring down the price of food wey dey very high for our market for Nigeria. Let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, I beg, also help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. So make I leave you now, make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.